This is the over the SFU West Mall Center in Burnaby, British Columbia. It's a Dover. Here it is. Nice, a glass one. And this one is the 9 turns look nice, good parking one. Hydraulic, it looks like. Yep. Here, parking one. Hey. That's a bit dark. Go to 5. Don't go small marks. This is definitely an 80s Dover because of the door track and the door seal. I think this is actually the Lavitt Sports Center. I believe, nope, one more floor. Here, 5. Indicator up. Here's the emergency light. Let's go 2. No, we'll get cat view. It's a pretty nice elevator. Actually, I like this one better than the one at the Lord Davies. It has pretty basic impulse fixtures. Here's the phone, which is ADA compliant. Yep, this is the West Mall. Here at 2. Yeah, you can see the door seal, which definitely says the 80s.